friends, you're watching Flavors and it's me Sakshi, your host and Rose. In today's video, we're going to make a fusion recipe. We're going to mix up the Indian and Mexican cuisine and we're going to make a very easy starter or snack recipe, which is fusion papad cone. Sounds interesting. So, let's get started. Begin with making the filling. In a pan, I'm going to add in oil. Let it heat up. 1 teaspoon of oil. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of onion and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. If you're a Jain, you can avoid adding this. The recipe taste is just the same without onion and garlic. We'll just lightly saute them. These are done now. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of chopped capsicum. To this, we're going to add in 1 cup of boiled rajma. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of parboiled corn and 2 tablespoons of chopped paneer. This is optional. Now, if you don't have rajma, you can also use baked beans, and if you don't have either of them, you can just increase the quantity of corn. Right now, the rajma is just lightly crushed. And to this, I'm going to add in all the masalas. First, add in chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half to 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of oregano, then half teaspoon of white pepper and half teaspoon of black pepper. Salt to taste. We'll add in 1 tablespoon of chopped tomato and just off the flame. Now I'm going to add in some lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. These are optional, but they give a very nice taste. And 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now we'll let this cool down completely, and until then we'll make the papad cones. The ones that we're going to make will look something like this. So now let's see how to make them. So these are my papads. I've cut them half, and right now I'm using the urad dal papads, but you can use any of your choice. So here's my skillet, and we're gonna let this heat up completely, and then we're gonna do the procedure. So I've placed the papad in the skillet, and now using a napkin we'll press its corners and we'll let it cook. We don't need to cook this for much long. We'll keep flipping it after every 5 seconds. And we'll notice some bubbles coming on it, and now this is done, so we'll off the flame, and now we'll fold this into a nice cone and we'll just hold it for 10 seconds and the papad will be ready. All our cones are ready and our mixture is also cooled down. So let's fill the mixture in the cones. So we'll fill it completely. And now, because it's an Indian recipe as well, we're going to put in some masala peanuts from the top. It'll give a very nice crunch. Now we're going to keep this in our glasses. Let's fill the other cones as well. Do this procedure only when you want to consume the cones, or else the papad will get soggy. So you can just keep everything ready and then serve it whenever you want to. So there you go, friends. A delicious fusion papad cone is ready. I've garnished it with some sour cream and coriander leaves. Did you see how easy was the procedure to make the papad cones? The procedure of making the cones might be a bit tedious, like during the first 1 or 2 times the cones might break, but the only thing that you need to keep in mind is to not cook the papad much and to roll them really fast so that you get perfect cones. So do try out the recipe and tell us how it turned out in the comment section below. Till then, it's me Sakshi signing off. Goodbye.